Dr Frank Amoakohene unim all time best but Gyimie no
Amoakohene
Ebusunya wey efie ntokwa because comedian so Abro ye NDC ni kese on some of the other TikTokers any asante phone ebu ofupa na omo be class with Dr Frank Amoakohene concerning how wasi abefa Soloku Festival no so dia be di asante phone bi atem omo say ye no na say na amene ana we be regional minister omo ntiase omo be come adwene na mu kire say Mahama ensake the regional minister na ogu asanteman kura ni mu ase. He is nothing but just a disgrace to asanteman. Me wan kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Ayi PENYAH Broke Media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video no da ma subscribe button and click the notification connect with this update. And kire wadwen da ba me ewo comment section so ba so a. No share for onya bi ahwe. In fact, ubusa me a when we look at the life of the Ashanti Regional Minister Dr Frank Amoakohene. Ubusa me say otesaya meka se me nim de nyikra yede ne ba so me regional minister. Minim se yede ne ba se omedi Ashanti region asanteman no omedi asanteman ho fewo de a minim. Se yede ne ba se oma asanteman no emeye something like a comedy region bi I don't know. Because a whole regional minister be kono to Facebook. Sister, me pato, meto, go. Come on. Are we comedians? Yeah, concert was anti me. Are we comedians? Are we kids? Yeah, ground grab ni gua. Come on, like, oh, come. Heavy. Penny was say, when you move when you ye drew and craft fellow di buomount. I was saying craft fellow di buomount. Come on, David. Now you know, this regional minister, I'm not can ask me, Dr. Frank Amoakohene. And a Soloku Festival that course for you know say obedi wo matter obedi so because the Soloku Festival was organized by the MP for PENYAH South constituency Honorable Nana Jebafuwa ono and say organize and trimpon say obese bibi so say bia Easter break bia no asantema mu so ebeye de na ebe boost you know the economy because bibi sa koso a ebe ma omo to ne ebe to mo ade ne ade productivity be koso just anyway bibi na no ebe koso ama bibia ebe ye kama eti on the or I said bibia be so my omo your first attempt Easter break no omo your first attempt na bibia eye kama but eno so no ana Dr Frank Amoakohene be gina so be di wo matem.
Yes, the Ashanti region no ye wo ye ya adwemu da ho no ye dɔɔso pa che 38 na gu ye ni manse no eno ma gu ye ni manse pa o ma gu ye ni manse na I keep saying say omunka asem mane nyam ya bio da tese usne wo yonko wotawo no no kure
Atenes ba kan na mfa na enye dens ba kan ne de na enye go be o ka se ye wa santimem ha no ye ni mo nyansa no ye dɔɔso bro 38% and I say in other sense what they are about politics e be kire se just say MPP vote onye nyina na ya asante for 90 like come on, this is pure childish behavior, childish reasoning, childish thinking. Ayankura adwene. Ayankura. Nyini, grow up, grow, nyini. Stop behaving like a child. Nyini, grow, nyini. Grow up. Which other regional minister do you know in the NDC I will behave like a child? Or behave this childish? Which other regional minister? Which other regional minister in the NDC in 2025, 2026, I will behave like a child? How? Which other regional minister? And a whole region, Ashanti region, and I idea grow hand one I said. Emma didn't say that the Cassan and yet Penny Casasa. Sa kura became his egas akura be di Penny natem. But Penny anka say ye. Respect is reciprocity. Dear Koneba. Unti medi me matem. Now anka say me respect you. En fa enye sa net ye. Respect is reciprocal. Dear a garbage in, garbage out. Dear de ko komuno na ya polish the about bontene into their team the by a bedia koimu na ya polish nesia de ba bontene a obegene woto a garbage in, garbage out. Na nesa ba yeka kan no on say yeka za twitwi e na comedian na so a Abro o NDC ni o si da bi pa de Frank one try e to ba yeka na adwen a kire no ama TikTokers ni so no adwen conversation o mo blàst Dr Frank Amoakohene
Amoakohene. The way me dey me pa.
Okay.
NDC ma o mu ache.
Okay.
Na me start say me NDC no. No nsum na eda so be NDC.
Okay.
Eye Frank Amoakohene. We check penny. I am 44 years.
Okay.
Or how many years?
35.
35 years. It's okay. Free mo. We check 9 years.
Okay.
So me when I started doing politics, now Amoakohene started politics.
Okay.
2. Ashanti region ha. The man you politics mono. Amoakohene nyam 10% people.
Okay.
Ama na ye kind of politics here no. Ye di buo any on mine dadwene at to 2 3 and send yakwakoye. That is why anytime Amoakohene here the papa be am timbo number so because I'm also in Ashanti region.
Okay.
But for a month or 2, I'm beginning to see say onya nyini wie the politics no e da so wona adwuma ye nkola de no. Which make a statement that man was an MP as minister number. I say these are some of the things. These are some of the things. And if President John Dramani Mahama so you reshuffle, the first person to reshuffle no, I am Amoakohene. I'm telling you, I'm a pacho. Mama custom ye. Me baby see it no bet me as ye. Me say the first person President John Dramani Mahama so sacking no, I Frank Amoakohene. That's it. That should be a good question. Great me. Sebi. Oko asafu. Oko astown. Oko krofrum. Uba bantima. Ye ko fuo. Ene di sisa adan no. Beboa. Koko sika ni atiso no. Amoakohene maka on TikTok oda. Koko sika ni atiso and the NDC. Ede na Amoakohene akafa ho. Amodumai. And the wutu car, ye kura car, wutu car. Now about 7. That's when we need parking for dropping. It is either you get accident or unko do fear simple. Because street light in war, what's Amoakohene doing? Sometimes any agent in the amano, but this time around, you be see foam. Here, man, because I'm Amoakohene. Uncle social media notice no. No go type say NDC leaders dancing Soloku band.
Me too, but
we are saying
listen, because try and control it a bit.
No, me hit them, me hit.
Take it easy.
We
are not fighting.
Dr Frank Amoakohene, unim o tai wo best but Gyimie no adwena wa yidi ase oto a woni fa so no eya ye mo yina hohoro mo fa se ho na ja Gyimie no ase o tai wo best. You need to focus na ja Gyimie and ankwase atem de die this and that as a minister wotimi and President John Dramani Mahama mo ase because mo nyina na mo to nsa de die o wotimi ko tumfo mo na ase wo sori na wotiti media so di nkwase atem media no eya mo si media no nkwara ne nim use wo wunyu wa Gyimie kura se nkwara na ya wo kan what Gyimie se nkwara na ya mo ka se wo mo nim media ne use because ni nkwara ne de ye no ebia na wo so pani toto Gyimie forte se wo a ya ma wo ministerial appointment ebia na wo so de ye atem de die ya nkwara de di ebia na wo so de ye ja Gyimie no na focus na ja Gyimie no na say ministerial appointment na ye ama no and e bro ni so se denwe na Gyimie wo ye wo best obi obeka se wo ye wo best bi aboa ba wo Gyimie no ya ye more Gyimie
Gusebia April ne be ending. Now one of the programs was the Street Art Festival. A school for no enya akonya e be exhibit your more talent. Okay. So you stay a year MP for PENYAH South. Lawyer also organizes Soloku Festival. Let me put it that way. I just say a dear Nijina Okeka, a titini and intini equoi. Now Soloku Nimuna, a year honorable, sorry, Dr Frank Amoakohene, a call live or TikTok, a queer video, a registering disappointment in the Soloku program na ekoso Soloku Festival na ekoso no asebita frache kasebi bri na akoso ye asante mamu ha obi ba obi tibe kasa na akoso no ebi anodin Elizato on the co-host eye Soloku Festival no. So he feels to say, punchline, not he feels say, the video actually, a pay up, just say, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, the video to her, and Odi Asakakra. Just acquired direct to Elizato, until you know, so very reactive. Ama Sabi, Bibiako Papa Manager Dentino, or no sure Titi Asopa. And ye, because we are a ball of sugar so say no. Kasa BMP, a chopper BMP, in whom be a ma. Anyana according semu na ajiwom. Ruthie,
Ohima fefe.
Mama wadwin kire word die akoso iso.
Ye nyina ya gbati na Sabio Tafrache papa yi kasa yi wan kasa wo kotoka se mo kasa wo ya kan kasa and me ya say Honorable Ashanti Regional Minister Dr Frank Amoakohene ebe take that toll. Now what they Sakasa say, Eba Beto Abonting. Maybe a bra or share Ashanti First Asino. I've been one person, even with the art painting, current focus say political. I defended him, say, who is the current president of Ghana? Yes. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So I am not speaking based, say, meaning a political party in America, but yes, me baby, than one found to a free talk. And Papa, regional minister, who says is here no, or ye penny, it is all man penny, me and to Abamano, and Chese Odi or Hene Odi president in Epe or NDC for so Odi the entire Ghana, so of course. Into the region that you are representing His Excellency, no. So be two men NDC, so be unto a man NDC. Who say one I father for the region, not even just Kumasi, but the entire Ashanti region. Yes. Honorable Frank Amoakohene, I can say your Bekano, Akoyet says Sabio Tafrache, serial caller beer. As what two I am piana Sebi, party party financiers, a financing a cash. Engineer home matter say or penny. I don't know as a bro or yes, I live no. Na me train, na me share a Japana a you Elizato. I mean to be sa platform medium no day. I attack no intimation the next day, which was Tuesday no. One yeshe, Wednesday one carry, and Thursday so me I thought say be a BJH. But I didn't know say run. Now you warm up for their brain so. And Elizato and Kasayi were baby dear, but yen shed your coaching and send me by. Tina make say, Wabek Casati say, serial color, dear, so would you not tell my hand because at the end of the day, that's why you're popular based on that. Now, or the other day, Edge dinner kept you and I say, Trey Bibimano. But one of your regional minister, would you know as on my region in papa? Oko attack you, Obi, why were you way, Juma? And your crown who blow horn so. A young coffee, name who near Woya, near my power, and Cofoca say, regional minister, Ashanti First Day, why are there? To the fact to say, ye near crackers a street at our year. Initially, it was just a day program, and so yeah. But because a year, fire, you know, boa baswa, do draw na make us a do draw boa baswa, we are so bayano. And my talk also, and Ubenya, limelight, spotlight for the event. Are we in a could be in a sense opponent. Esu ye Soloku party sebio program omkoye o man chitu o man chi agyan no aka say regional sec rexec regional security una ada anu ntino one will say bibi boni bi koso agudie no mukodi to the fact say obe choose obi a video say no kan no it was a 9 to 6 p.m. event what the work of 15 seconds of it near court to hold cooking competition wey maame no bia sa area ho no obi on pokora efie bi mu efie bi mu kra nka so Soloku e ba ye okonu aduane ye kan we aduane hwe we di obi edi bi ama afa be wi echi aba be ye family ni edoma odo aba eno wa ehunu ena we decide say we go this tangent to the extent say obeka say youth na we ha no do ni nyansa that statement no we use here no it doesn't even go to just Elizato pay. One hour muko ye nyina no opeso wadidi o matem. Okay. Indirectly no eya temidie directly eya temidie and what the ama and penny for Mokoye. And also say, yes, I could have in Sao or name penny phone did. They see Uncle Wong Sao, think penny phone you can never go on the things we used to do at 5. Now we don't do it anymore. First now we used to take talk a day, a good day, only wife, no more year. And then say abuse, so the year where a form of communication, or they communicating. But for you to use that social media to insult somebody, that is below belt. Regional Minister, come again. I didn't know no, me say. Sebio serial callers ni bi no na eden eye ni ehun sese ba wo kwa attack yom wo ka che obi say nyansa majority of the youth any nyansa chen 38% no. Oh come on regional minister ade we say so no ham no ka na wo live so na e bi krampa let's say without video and kabeka say adopted because ne caliber ne presentation hu no na mo a on fa se bi penimu say kan sem fi ebi say gu abonten on fan to sunu so on nam expo na say wa hye ne kaftan ne African wear na on fan to sunu say regional minister to me kasa say sabi senke ye obi fufuro kwa na wokan yanka because you on there sa na kasa but for you to come and put on camera and do live and insult your opponent just because they've organized Soloku abra ye wo kromu a Soloku ye form of games na ni program na oye no onye jama adana amokoye ayi food then na jama nka ho jama wo ya de wo fa twi Soloku jama ye de sa boss pa na se de sa bobo moto ho e de so Soloku nti so wo ye jama na obi say and Soloku as you know the whole Ashanti region and the whole Kumasi unim baby omuchi Soloku pa asafo uyi asafo for yes so continue town asafo uyi omu fu on ma bant ma ene ete so that time ana lo Kenya etwi so asenkoto it is part of us it's part of our settings eya dia e kan ye ho it is obegina na be yiti say ene Ashanti youth no enim dodo na enim nyansa chen the 38% honorable kana cobre bio because so pa we Ashanti regional minister ebeka sa infeni masem we egu abonten no ama obi obi konko apai obi say Elizato so be using ni video na waka sa nsem we egu achi because Elizato so no oti Soloku asinti no onu tu twi enti so wo twi Soloku ye boy enfansa bobo ye enfansa ye di twi enti twina no twina ono so ye we na abakwa fa ba say because Elizato twan esa etwi ni Soloku ni ntino dodo na ye den enim nyansa dodo na enim nyansa chen 38%. It was quite unfortunate for him to make that statement. Now a brave way about between penny bian calling it to order. Hey, omo yama asemia papei and ano kan ansa ni yetu na free na konya suwo adanse Katie Hammond asemo beka say emranto wa na yetu kono hwini mo. Won say ye ma obi di bre na oso because say penny mu a I don't think say penny ebeka say obi ayi ni program awie obeto ayampia we na ade you know say ayabo wa baso I think say e run it ni timu ya ye ne dedodo because osha obi okra or MPP ni someone like Abro or to me babjina abo na baso say dey bia e run it team on kan hu say aside politics no we are humans ye nipa ebi anyi chen no ebi say me ayi kan eja bako ho enko for sponsor obi bini sponsor next sponsor enti next of mu ni nyansa say bi o mpacho say bi o mu ni nyansa say enti ade na ye ne it doesn't worth any idea enti ne e sponsor enti o mu ni de so mu form sika yo obi bini no to no ni hwe na so okogina no eja bajuwari ade no kire sen anti ade upon bibia waye me think ade we in free regional minister no mo enka serial caller bi no akoye ne e kananka regional minister moma betia ne so jaye nuanom so de ombaye de agege omo ani ano no enti omani 38% mo omo nje omani mo omo nya hwe na wo ka se omo nsu A+ ne enye ona de Ashanti first buy no wo nsu A+ amana group bi ene wo ye Heroes Park concert wo ye concert wo Heroes Park ye hwe se betumi ato sa ayi a wo ka no enkofo a wo de omo ba bebo ye te hampo your dances waha when you see dances ni because free I say wakwa fa Afronita you are saying say who promote yaye de wo you know na chigu ho na me onya niam bisa na chigu ho ba ntimo onya niam bisa we say kuma would be revive it and Ola Michael, former 5-pack PRO, now the vice president for 5-pack.
Yes.
Wakot now meet FM. Okay, station in peace. Yeah. Or kase INT. The biawu you say munkofo na dey drama log. Na no na chese obe revive Kuma would no. You are one person what you Kuma would that when you say 19 say akoko register say Kuma would Ashanti film association e friend Kappa. Ye nim se Kuma would near different you crowd the wawa be yo dia. Ye nim se kenene nyina ye ba near boot wabaso and the one must we about center of your discussion. Aden honorable Amoakohene say youth near dodo na enim nyansa chen 38%. Onim 38% no e fa e wo mo e koye apanimu nkasasa wakasa te sese bio serial caller bi e say okasa ne be ye de ne kafa ne kakra wa ma no e no aba be panimu pa wo da yi e na me ka say region na wo da no you unda NDC fo nko ano wo da obia CPPO PNCO floating voters o hwana o MPPO wo da ye nyina ya no he say na ma ne Patricia PJ say okaso ye ade a no why on consult MP say what say Ebia over the years, and that has been their model of practice. Say Ebia no, as a regional minister, consulting all the members na or regional. Sami hunana and to me can say oh yeah ministry no Kumasi and not even the entire Ashanti. That one I don't care. But when it comes to something Obia ya uyebi because in any case oh yeah wo Kumasi na dia Judy. The Ashanti first is it not in your own interest? Oh, my who TV ne say why na Ashanti Prime now or the abana no na project. Mo yes and maybe say oh sometimes otewa now otewa no what be sound say ya na obeye penny a okotena akunya bi so ya de pia bi hye so say be cancel fo na en cancel man sebio ababi ani nyansa ani na obi make for wani mu be ye for man because ade way e fa he see he e be kan regional minister e be he han making come obeka same way like the regional minister this one is below bells and fatano say o say e bi adan kwa ma bi obetumi abesaka na ade abepa achewa dan kwa ma na ye ne dan kwa ma na ye ochina e bi obeka say weekend we aba to 20 obe upon reflection e bi Monday no the crack eba headline Dr Frank Amoakohene na aba o ye ne po adomo kire kase ya no abefa wa ade aba ba kire at the back and forth and the region I will say and all person what they tete ifo what is that name say na yom and I can memuno ye de akrokro ne kasado ye fa patapa na yi I can have Ashanti region as Asantefo in e bi ono ka asem kra no mpo na o differ kra obema o mepache obechewa enka dey ntin ye say hospitality starts from here and ehwe ha mantem ho a ekro bia anwonafo wo mo line fantinuta meka Soloku ameka asafo ye say fantinuta ho amo na wo fantifo na ekobo what I say ye wa Accra town it is only this region ye ha bank of ye nim kasa ye detete nkofo na be kansem na ni freni mansem na o kansem ya no ene wa ma result to abombe na meka say ne kasa ni bi no kan na catch so but in any case where you see the image and na dia yes content na wo dey react no enti Ashanti regional minister this thing is so sad say be free ni ho e bia nkofo no bi ye nuan mu bia ye wo media space and say entertainment space the likes of Mr Bones are there be on no ne de on ne to na kra ne o betumi atwe na agye say kasa bia o kan no enye amwa ma wajuma yo na obeye oye ni nyina ababe we obi nam horse into we no tumi ko che opem so yi because kasa bi wo hwa yenka in any case Menhia South no honorable na eje ibafu awua eye omo Menhia South MP no onye ono nkwa na ye ahemfu ni bi na wo area ho no eba ho bi it what are you saying e dey na woka so oni mama mere te amane ase yenye sa akwada enkasa sa emum se wa beye pani no yama opani post no uye opani but unfie mu ni we ye kasa akwada nyame na star boy no o kasa se ya ni akasa toilet go ho anya de
medase bebe
obetuma chere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha ipenya block media agra